What in the world?
Don't ever sneeze eating white cake. Oh man.
Mom sneezed. She was eating one of those little Debbie white, yeah, heart-shaped white cakes, and let out a sneeze in the living room. And she's got there
Never done that before.
a sneeze cake.
Oh, good thing I covered my hands. It'd have been everywhere. I covered my nose on my hands.
I've heard of a pound cake, not a sneeze cake.
I just don't feel too good today.
Well, I'm gonna go upload this. I'm gonna call it sneeze cake. Well, goodbye.